Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Gold Party company. And today I'm here with an amazing case study for a Google Ads account restored review. For those who don't know, we provide Google Ads account restoration, Google Merchant Center account restoration, Google Shopping Ads, Google Ads Management, Ads Disapproval, Google Shopping Feed Hub, Shopify Development, Landing Page Services, Google Ads Audit Setup Management. As a Google partner, we have an extensive experience, and so far I have more than 16 years plus experience. So I'm here with this case study. So first of all, I'm going to show you an email, so then you can see over here. So I'm going to refresh in front of you guys, so you can see over here as well that which I'm going to talk about. So I'm going to refresh so guys to see over here, and I'm going to say over here the review, so you can see the account review. So you can see the mail over here, and the mail is uh, for yes. So over here you can see that we have some good news for you. Our team has reviewed your account based on your detailed appeal, and we are happy to let you know that it has been reactivated. You can use it now to advertise again. Thank you for waiting while we reviewed your appeal, and we are sorry if this caused any disruption. If some of your ads seem not to be running, try using ad review to help diagnose, and remember that some of our ads may still be disapproved if they do not follow our terms and conditions. So exactly the point over here, which you wanted to know, and what kind of a detailed appeal we did, and how you can restore your Google Ads account suspended. For those who don't know on how to restore the Google Ads account, there to restore the Google Ads account, first of all you need a compliance, compliance with Google Ads policies. So that is the basic step. Being over in this field for many years, we have an extensive experience, so we know what works and what are the priority. So your website does not violate any Google Ads policies, and if it is violating any policy, first of all what we do is a thorough review of the Google Ads account plus the website to make corrections. Once we make the corrections, we do a thorough repeal with a Google. As a Google partner, we have a dedicated manager which whom we ask to do a thorough review to sort these errors. Guys, it takes time, but once we are done with the research, we can easily restore. For those who have Google Ads account suspended for circumventing system, misrepresentation, suspicious payment, unacceptable business practices, egregious violation, or any other reason, we have an expertise in sorting out all of these errors. It takes time. Sometimes, and it happens incidentally. Sometimes it's a trademark violation, which causes suspension. Sometimes you are logging from a different location, which can cause this suspension. So there can be so many reasons, and we have so many accounts restored, and we know what works well. But again, it can take time, so you have to patience. You have to comply with the changes being requested on your website or your ad copy, so you can happily advertise again. If you closely analyze this again, the detailed appeal is the part over here. So I think two first is detailed appeal, second is correction of the website, and third is to make the procedure all the fast. We have a dedicated manager who helps us in sorting out all these procedures, and Google has so many departments, so sometimes it can take a lot of time. So sometimes it can take a lot of time. Also what we do is we look on the sample comparative websites to see the compliance, and if sometimes it's a checkout issue, sometimes it's a payment policy issue. I mean, there are so many. We have so far developed like 160 plus checkpoint list, which helps us to ensure that the account is not in the violation and fully comply with Google Ads policies, and that is how we can get the Google Ads account restored. So in case if you need our help, do hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel as well, and we look forward to working with you. You can hire us through the link in the description to get your Google Ads account restored or your Google Merchant Center account restored, or we can also help you in Google Ads audit setup or management as well. Take care and bye bye.